Welcome to Bestsellers Market, your go-to channel for the hottest and best-selling products on Amazon. Today, we have an exciting countdown lined up for you. We'll be showcasing the top engine cooling and climate control products that are taking Amazon by storm. From innovative cooling systems to advanced climate control solutions, we have it all covered. So, without delay, let's dive right in and explore these amazing products that are keeping engines cool and climates perfectly controlled. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5 on our list of best-selling engine cooling and climate control products on Amazon, we have the HVAC blend door actuator. Now, if you drive a Chevrolet or GMC vehicle from 1994 to 2012, including models like the Silverado, Tahoe, and Sierra, pay close attention because this actuator is a game-changer for your air control system. Picture this. You're driving on a hot summer day, craving the cool breeze from your AC, but instead you're hit with inconsistent temperatures. Frustrating, right? This HVAC blend door actuator is the solution you've been waiting for. It meticulously controls the flow, recirculation, and temperature of air into your vehicle's interior, ensuring you get the perfect climate every time you drive. Now, let's talk compatibility. This replacement part fits a wide range of popular models, including the 2002 Silverado, 1999 Silverado, Tahoe, and the 2001 2500 HD, among others. It directly replaces the factory blend door actuator panel with part numbers 890183656, 604, 106 524025888, 161639882, 524025998, and 524022612. It's specifically designed for Chevrolet and GMC vehicles from 1999 to 2012, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless integration with your vehicle's existing system. What sets this actuator apart? It features a redesigned housing that guarantees longevity, surpassing the durability of the original factory part. Inside, you'll find a more rugged internal circuit board, meticulously engineered to resist heat, corrosion, and vibration. This means you can rely on consistent performance, no matter the conditions. And here's the cherry on top: a lifetime warranty. That's right. If your climate control module ever fails, just reach out and they'll send you a replacement. No hassles, no worries. So if you're tired of battling inconsistent AC temperatures and want a reliable, durable solution, the HVAC blend door actuator is your answer. Say goodbye to climate control woes and hello to comfort on every drive. Next up, at number 4 on our countdown of the best-selling engine cooling and climate control products on Amazon, we have the Lubegard 19610 Instant Shudder Fix. This product is a true game-changer for anyone experiencing the dreaded torque converter shudder. Imagine this scenario. You're cruising down the highway and suddenly your car starts to shudder. It's not only annoying but also a bit worrying. Enter the Lubegard 19610, your immediate solution to this common transmission issue. With just a few drops, this miracle fix instantly eliminates torque converter shudder, restoring smooth and seamless driving in no time. Why is this product a must-have for your vehicle? Let's dive into the details. First and foremost, it delivers 4 times less wear compared to regular automatic transmission fluid. That's right, 4 times. This means your transmission not only performs better but also lasts longer, saving you money and headaches down the road. What makes Lubegard 19610 stand out from the competition? It's the original transmission shudder fix. That's a bold statement backed by years of trust and reliability in the automotive industry. Voted the top product by transmission professionals, it's clear that this solution is both effective and highly respected. So, whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, the Lubegard 19610 Instant Shudder Fix is your go-to product for eliminating torque converter shudder. Say goodbye to those nerve-wracking vibrations and hello to a smoother, more enjoyable ride. Taking the 3rd spot in our top 5 countdown of the best-selling engine cooling and climate control products on Amazon, we have the Castrol Transmax High-Mileage Automatic Transmission Fluid, 1 gallon. If your vehicle has clocked over 75,000 miles, this product is designed just for you. Imagine the typical problems that come with a high-mileage transmission: leaks, rough shifts, and inconsistent performance. Castrol Transmax tackles these issues head-on. Engineered with superior frictional durability, it delivers exceptional transmission performance, ensuring smooth, precise shifts every time. Let's talk about the magic inside this gallon of wonder. It contains additional seal conditioners that actively prevent and stop leaks, keeping your transmission in top shape. But that's not all. The extra cleaning agents work tirelessly to reduce varnish and sludge formation, maintaining a clean and efficient transmission system. What sets Castrol Transmax apart is its ability to protect against clutch wear. This fluid not only restores smooth shifting but also extends the life of your transmission. It meets or exceeds the rigorous requirements of General Motors Dexron 3 and Ford Mercon standards, guaranteeing top-notch performance. And here's the clincher. Castrol Transmax exceeds all passenger car and light truck manufacturers' warranty requirements for vehicles, transmissions, or power steering service where a Dexron 3H or Mercon type ATF is specified. That's peace of mind in every drop. So if you're dealing with a high-mileage vehicle and want to keep it running smoothly, Castrol Transmax high-mileage automatic transmission fluid is your go-to solution. Keep your transmission performing at its best and enjoy every mile on the road. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling engine cooling and climate control products on Amazon? Well, don't let your engine overheat. Cool off by liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest updates. Securing the second spot in our top 5 countdown of best-selling engine cooling and climate control products on Amazon, we present the Lubegard 96030 Kool-It Evaporator and Heater Foam Cleaner. If you've ever been plagued by unpleasant odors wafting through your vehicle's vents, this is your ultimate solution. Imagine driving, windows up, air conditioning on full blast, only to be assaulted by foul, musty smells. Frustrating, isn't it? Lubegard Kool-It eliminates even the most stubborn odors, leaving your car smelling fresh and clean. But it doesn't stop there. This powerful cleaner also maximizes your heating and cooling efficiencies, ensuring you stay comfortable no matter the weather. Now, let's talk about ease of use. With Lubegard Kool-It, there's no need for complicated equipment or drilling. Simply apply the foam cleaner and it works its magic. It's efficient, effective, and incredibly user-friendly. What's more, with a flash point of -60 degrees Celsius, this cleaner is designed to perform under extreme conditions, ensuring your evaporator and heater stay in top condition. So whether you're combating persistent odors or looking to boost your HVAC system's performance, the Lubegard 96030 Kool-It Evaporator and Heater Foam Cleaner is your go-to product. Fresh air, enhanced efficiency, and simplicity in one powerful package. Finally, claiming the top spot in our countdown of the best-selling engine cooling and climate control products on Amazon, we have the Valvoline Multi-Vehicle Full Synthetic Automatic Transmission Fluid. This powerhouse product is designed to meet the needs of 95% of ATF vehicles, including most CVTs used in light-duty applications across the United States. Imagine a transmission fluid that adapts to nearly any vehicle on the road. That's Valvoline Multi-Vehicle ATF for you. It's not just versatile, it's exceptional. This full synthetic formula offers superior protection against engine breakdown, far outperforming conventional fluids. Whether you're facing the scorching heat of summer or the bitter chill of winter, this fluid delivers consistent performance, enhancing your vehicle's durability and extending its life. One of the standout features is its high-performance conditioning agents. These agents work tirelessly to prolong seal elasticity, effectively preventing leaks. Imagine driving with the peace of mind that your transmission is safeguarded against potential failures and costly repairs. But that's not all. Valvoline's anti-wear technology is a game changer. It reduces wear and tear, ensuring your transmission remains in top condition for longer. This isn't just about maintenance. It's about improving the overall health and longevity of your vehicle. And here's a crucial detail. While this product is incredibly versatile, it's important to note that it's currently unable to ship to customers in California. So if you're in the Golden State, you'll need to explore alternative options. In summary, Valvoline Multi-Vehicle Full Synthetic Automatic Transmission Fluid is the ultimate choice for those seeking unparalleled performance and protection for their vehicle's transmission. From preventing leaks to enhancing durability, It's the top choice for discerning drivers. Trust Valvoline to keep your vehicle running smoothly, mile after mile. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling engine cooling and climate control products on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top picks, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Until next time, thank you and see you.